Need to fix iCloud data not syncing? Then in today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. So the very first thing you want to do is head over to the settings of your device. Inside settings, you need to head over to General. Scroll all the way down and move into Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset. Tap on Reset Network Settings. Enter the passcode of your device. Click on Reset Network Settings. After that, go back and move into VPN and Device Management. Make sure that you are not connected to any of the VPN. Once done, now the next thing you want to do is swipe down the screen from the top right and then check whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. If not, you can turn on cellular data as well. Once done, now head over to your Apple ID. Move into iCloud. Sometimes the iCloud storage might be full and it might be the reason that you're facing this issue. Make sure to make up some space in iCloud. After that, your iCloud might sync with the device and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.